Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I was blessed that I was able to pick out my own instruments for my Friday job so we could get more instruments, and you know how much I love PDT instruments, so I was able to pick out 3 for the pack. So I'm going to show you what I put in my pack. Literally, you've heard me before, but literally I could scale an entire mouth with a Montana Jack. So naturally we have a Montana Jack in our kit, and if you haven't tried the Jack Be Nimble, which is Montana Jack's brother, it's a good one too. So we have that. We have the Columbia 1314, so we have a posterior sickle, or not sickle, a posterior Columbia, and then we also have your H5L5, which is, it has an anterior sickle scaler on the end and like a little shorter shank anterior sickle scaler on the end. So I figured we touch all the bases. We have an anterior, we have a posterior, and we have what I consider to be a universal, because I can literally use this anywhere. And then of course, naturally, we have our probes, and we have a mirror, and we have, which isn't in here, which I'm not sure why it's not in here, but we have an Explorer in here too at some point. And people ask me all the time, so when I was in hygiene school, they taught us that it's actually really good to have different size handles, because it helps work on your ergonomics and your dexterity to not always be grabbing the same size instrument. I like that PDT's instruments are color coded, so I know that when I'm grabbing my beautiful gold sickle scaler here, I'm grabbing my Montana Jack. So I love that they color code them by what kind of instruments they are, whether they're posterior, anterior, universal. Each of them have their own like specific color based off of that instrument, and I absolutely love that about my PDT instruments. So this is what I was able to get in my kit. This is what I would use for like a normal everyday prophy, not obviously a perio maintenance, not obviously a scaling root planing, just my regular everyday prophy patients that, you know, have minimal bleeding, have some tartar, but not like heavy tartar. But to be honest, my Montana Jack's in every kit that I have: scaling root planing, perio maintenance, regular prophy, kids prophies, it's in everything. But this is what I was able to purchase. These came in a kit. I think it was like $145 for these 3, and then we just bought these 3 separately. Some we even scrounged out of old stuff that we had to try and create these kits. But this is what I keep in my daily instrument kits for when I'm cleaning teeth and as a temp. So hope you guys enjoyed experiencing what I have for instruments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.